regarding our event, which is going to be held on the 19th and 20th of March, which is this Saturday and Sunday. So this is the first ever FIBA 3x3 indoors event in the Northeast. Technically coincided our launch with the Indian National 3x3 Basketball League's launch, which is going to be happening at the same time in Bangalore. So that is a 22-city league, which is being run by the Basketball Federation of India. Ours is a standalone event, but with 3x3 taking precedence in terms of basketball scenario right now, we look at this as a big opportunity for our players from the state to get ranking points. So with this tournament, all players have a FIBA 3x3 profile, and with every FIBA approved tournament that they play, players accumulate points. So this would be their first step into professional or semi-professional basketball. So these points will accumulate, and when they go and play the INBL in Guwahati, which is going to happen in the month of May, they'll be gathering more points. So the system now is that with FIBA is that the top 4 players in terms of ranking points get to represent the country at international competitions. It's not a matter of selection. It's actually the rankings point that counts. And this is where, with the NBA, we are looking forward to actually having more 3x3 tournaments in the state, where we can give our players the opportunity to gather those points so that they at least are competitive with the rest of the country. So that's something which is very encouraging from our point of view. And with her experience, Yari's experience in the recent 3BL, she'll bring a lot of that knowledge back to our players as well. That what we require to do to get better as an organization, as players, as management. And I think this is something that hopefully brings a lot more interesting times ahead for all of us.
Senior Northeast Zonal Championship of 9 December de matangila yaj hamat pap sasang bega format katagadika 3x3 challenge Northeast 3x3 challenge kanika sport su kanika format ka basketball ru kani kemut kala approved ka FIBA ka BFI Basketball Federation of India bat ka ju kapor kalalong ka Olympic sports matakin ka sian ka balengkong bagi introduce ka format aka Tokyo Olympics ka Shillong hapo Japan. Di hakabe di bakani ka 6th edition baka Touchline kala host ya ka format la Andrews nem. Di nakandang ka MBA ni CI ka support haka liam jong ki technical aspects. Di rementa kasien nila ni Shamba kani tournament ni have been recognized fully ka MBA. Di kumba pilai te ka Touchline ke ka partner jong ka MBA di ni ai support ka pura bat ka juga pura ni la yo ka approval na ka BFI pa kani kan long ka BFI approve challenge.